This video shows you how to install Norton browser extensions. Norton browser extensions include Norton Safe Search, Norton Safe Web, Norton Homepage, and Norton Password Manager. Norton Safe Search filters unsafe web results and ranks results based on site safety, so you know whether sites are safe before you visit them. Norton Safe Web warns you about dangerous sites while you search, shop, and browse online. It also shows safety information for each web page you visit. Norton Homepage helps you set Norton Safe Search as your browser homepage. Norton Password Manager helps you securely store and manage your logins, personal information, and financial information in an encrypted vault that only you can access. You can then use that information to sign into websites, fill online forms, and make online payments faster. Now let's see how to install these extensions. Open your Norton app. In the left menu, select Security, and then select Browser Extensions. In this video, we use Google Chrome. The steps are similar in other browsers. Next to any listed browser extension, click Install. We recommend that you install all the extensions by clicking Install All Extensions. When the extension page opens, click Add to Chrome, and then click Add Extension. You have now enabled the Norton Safe Search extension. Repeat these steps to install the remaining extensions. You have now installed all Norton browser extensions in Google Chrome. We also recommend that you install the Norton Password Manager extension to securely store and autofill your information. After the installation is complete, you can set up your vault and manage your information. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.norton.com.